Hi everyone, it's Denise and Ethan here from Red Toys Reviewed. Today we're looking at Peppa Pig. And Peppa Pig is on Grandpa Pig's train. If we look at the front of the box, we can see a little red train with Grandpa Pig as the train driver. There's a yellow carriage and there's a blue carriage. Let's open it up and have a look. So here's our lovely train that we've got out of the box. And we see Grandpa Pig is the train driver. And here's Peppa Pig and George, her little brother. And they've decided they're going to go for a train ride with Grandpa today. Let's get them to hop into their seats. Peppa Look at this lovely train we've unpacked. Grandpa Pig is driving the train. He's sitting in the little red engine, ready to go chugging down the track. Peppa Pig is here with her little brother George, and they are going to go for a train ride today. So let's put Peppa into the blue carriage. There she goes. Oh, she's looking very happy. And let's put George into the yellow carriage. They look like they're having such fun. I'm going to pull the train around. Toot, toot. Hi, George. Hi, Peppa. What's really lovely about this train is that if we press Grandpa Pig's head down, all sorts of noises come out of the train. I'll pull the train around and you listen. Ready?
Gertrude is the very best train in the whole world.
Ho-ho! Hop aboard! Full steam ahead!
Wasn't that fun? I'm sure that Peppa and George have had an awesome day with Grandpa Pig. Thank you for watching Denise and Ethan at Red Toys Reviewed. Please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.